Hello, how are you all? I'm going to show you how to stop receiving messages on WhatsApp without disconnecting the internet or blocking notifications from the app. Some of you may wonder why you should do this. Well, there are many reasons. For instance, if you want to take a day off from social media and not receive any messages. Here's what you need to do. There are two ways to do this. The first one is to go to the app drawer, find the WhatsApp icon, press and hold it until a menu pops up, then tap on the icon inside a circle. On some devices, you may have to tap on Information. This will take you to the app's information page, where you need to tap on Force Stop, and then OK to confirm. This will not delete anything from the app or block any contacts. It will simply stop the app to prevent you from receiving messages or audio calls. If you can't access this method, the other option is to go to your phone settings, find the Apps section, search for WhatsApp, and then tap on it to enter. From there, you can tap on the last button that says Force Stop or Stop, depending on the device, and you're done. You can continue using other apps like usual, and to reactivate WhatsApp, you simply need to open the app again. If you receive a message while it's deactivated, it won't show up until you reactivate it. So, it's up to you how long you want to stop receiving messages. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next video.